everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to log out from your Instagram account. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Now, to log out from your Instagram app, first of all, at the bottom bar of the homepage of Instagram, you can see many options. On the right hand corner, you can see a small icon with your profile. Tap on the icon. Now on top right corner, you can see 3 horizontal bars. Tap on the bar. Now tap on settings. Scroll down and you can see an option for logout. Tap on logout. Now confirm that you want to log out from Instagram. Either tap cancel or tap on logout. You are being logged out from your Instagram account. You are now logged out from your Instagram account. I hope this video helped you learn how to log out from your Instagram account. Do like and leave a comment on the comment box. Thank you.